For the crowd that we receive today,
the church leaders, village elders. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of PA and the district officer, youth participants, my ministry staff, members of the media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. First of all, on behalf of my team, I wish to thank the village elders for this Yongana ceremony. Naka. I'd also like to thank the youth members for the welcome song, Vinaka. I'm honored and privileged to be here on behalf of the government and my ministry at this Benimarama Hall. I must thank for the warm greetings accorded to me and my delegation from the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Once again, thank you and Binaka. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, in mid-August, during our 2021 International Youth Day, we had announced the TikTok poetry competition, which was open to all our registered youth clubs across the country. We had announced our 3 winners, and one of them was your own Navakaka Youth Club. Can you all put our hands together? The competition enabled the youth participants to use their mobile phones in producing short TikTok videos. These videos were produced following the theme of youth innovation for human health. In fact, TikTok is a good platform to do such things. But if you want to do TikTok to eat aeroplane, then I'm sorry. The theme highlighted that the success of such a global effort will not be achieved without the meaningful participation of our young people. Government strives to enhance food production and income security and achieve quick economic growth and reduce poverty through the sustainable management of Fiji's natural resources. Government's development plan is geared towards increasing local production of substitute for imports, increasing our exports, and most importantly, sustaining the food security. Farming is becoming a highly specialized skill, and farmers need the proper training and support to carry out their work and to take it to another level, that is commercial level, for the export market. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, naturally, Fiji can attract more local and international investment, which is essential for growth and development within the industry. Government also wants all Fijians to benefit from growing more food locally, since Fiji is blessed with so much fertile land. Government has already put in place a number of innovative initiatives and projects that are making considerable progress for youth in agriculture. Some examples include the teaching of basic agriculture at our ministry-run youth training centers around the country, and the continuous upskilling of our rural youth in best agriculture practice, due to the fact that most youth projects revolve around agriculture to sustain their youth groups through income-generating projects. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, at this juncture, I wish to congratulate these youth clubs for successfully meeting all requirements under our program and wish them the very best in their future endeavors. At this juncture, I would also like to thank the landowners. Without them, we wouldn't have been here this afternoon, and it would have been difficult for us to hand over the tools that we have handed to all these three respective youth clubs. So I want to thank the landowners for giving consent for the land to their sons and daughters to carry out the farming. Vinaka. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, with this said, may I also take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Vinaka, and thank you.